let's hope the wind doesn't mess up today's video. But I bring you to Batesville, Indiana, and Batesville is loaded with reservoirs you can fish from. And we fished them all, but we found one we haven't. This is the other side of Bischoff Reservoir, and it's almost identical to another spot that we know, which I will get into that in a little bit. But we found this yesterday, and I'm going to show you what it looks like. And yes, if you've seen my last video, it's the same day, y'all. I'm still on vacation. You could bet your bottom dollar, if this place is feasible for my puppy, which I think it is, and I'm trying not to trip, I'm going to be coming here fishing. Oh, hell yeah. Here, let me take him, hon. Yep, she's still got an injured knee, obviously, because it's only been, what, an hour since the last video? Would you guys seen that 2 days ago? Here's the rules. You guys can freeze the video and read it. Hopefully you don't have to zoom into it. And I'm looking at it now. It says no fires, huh? Let me show you something. I do believe somebody had a fire there. Now, by accident, we taken a couple extra roads over here in Batesville yesterday, and this is how we found it. Yesterday, this place was packed with people. So it is very popular to fish here. We're going to get up on the road. And there's a place here in Batesville that we have fished that's almost identical to this. It's where you can pull in, get right out of your car and fish. And the other place I'm taking you, I have made videos there before. We fished there last year. And we're going to get up to the road and follow Angie on down and get some more video footage. Yeah! Let this car pass. He's like, what's this idiot doing out here with this camera? But it is so beautiful out here. Oh my word. Oh my word, guys. Just walking up the road, Angie's getting pictures of some wild flowers up yonder here. But oh my gosh, let me go ahead. You know what? I'm not going to wait. Oh, now we've seen people fishing right over here on the guardrail side too, and the other side yesterday. So it being Monday, yes, you guys are seeing a delay in the videos. Yes, I know that. But it being Monday and all, nobody fishing here. Let me get these wildflowers on here real quick, y'all. Here's what Angie's getting pictures of right here. They're just all over through here. You can smell them. Matter of fact, I think these are the flowers we have growing in our yard. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. See if I can do this professionally. Let's aim the camera up. Here we go. Got some boaters coming in from down there. And on the other side, right over yonder here, is another spot you can fish. And the place I'm going to take you is identical to this. The other spot I'm going to be taking you is identical in every way. As a matter of fact, yesterday I said to Angie, like, holy smoke, our favorite spot to fish here in Batesville is loaded. And she's like, it's the same one, Michael. This is the one we've been trying to find. We have not been able to find this place. We've been told about it, but we can never find this one. And as we slowed down, I was like, you know, it isn't. But we're going to take you over to the other spot that is identical to this one. It's the same thing. You get out of your car and fish. In that place, I have fished. All right, guys. I'm going to close the video down now. Car coming. They fly down through here. Well, he slowed down. Thank God for that. Whew. And we're going to head over to the other place, and we will do more videoing over there. Okay, we are at the other place. It looks very similar to the place we was at. Now, we have fished here. Let me show you. I'm trying to keep an eye on Kitt. He's wanting to grab a hold of everything he sees. Here's the road coming in. And on that far side, you can fish over yonder there too. And here we is. You can just pull your car right in, park it and fish. We have fished here quite a bit. Quite a bit. Only downside to fishing here now, we would have to definitely come up with something different for Kitt. Because there's no grassy areas or dirty area. Dirty, yeah. There's no dirt areas for us to put the stake in the ground, so we would have to come up with something different. Last time we was here, it was the video called Her 3 to My 1. Yes. One of the biggest catfish I've ever caught up to date was out of here. That's right. Oh, this would have been a great day to fish, guys, because it is nice and cool, but it's not going to stay. The reservoir behind me is called Mullen Kramer. Now, next week we are going to get up in temperatures. Heat index 106. And today the temperature is 64. Yeah. I see someone else had a dog down here. Some doggy landmine right yonder there. Yeah. Will I be fishing here this year? I want to. Yeah, I just got to go home and do my homework and figure out the best way to keep him safe. And if I have to lay a blanket down, I don't know. But I want to. I really do. And the place we was at before this, oh, you bet your butt on that. Yeah. Batesville, Indiana. These reservoirs rock, guys. All right, let me get some thumbnail shots. And I close her out. Okay, I got me some goofy fun thumbnail shots. And yeah, all right, guys. Hoping to do some fishing tomorrow. We'll probably go to Versailles State Park and fish there. And we figures it out from there, y'all. But these are the two reservoirs here in Batesville, Indiana that look very similar and very easy access. So, Sam, by some chance you're watching to this video, this is be very easy accent. Gosh, it'd be very easy on your ankle and your foot. All you gotta do is pull in, get out, sit your arm chairs up, and go to fishing, man. Yeah. All right, guys. We'll catch you in the next video. Now, probably, I don't know if I'll be videotaping tomorrow. I might take the day off of videoing altogether and pick it back up again the next day. All right, y'all. We'll see you then. Come on, let's get out of here. I don't know what it is. I've had too much of something. This video is all over the map. Oh, for God's sakes. One more beauty shot. That one's probably messing me over. All right, guys, for real this time. We'll catch you in the next video.